嗨，各位同学好，欢迎来到 Phonics 自然音标。Phonics 自然音标的课程，今天老师为你介绍的是 Vocabulary of the Day。Vocabulary of the Day， 同样的，我们可以到 cn.com 去寻找 Headline News of the Day，Headline News of the Day， 并且从中学习一些美式的拼音逻辑技巧。Okay, students, let's go to the cn.com looking for the headline news of the day, and we can find some interesting article, and we're going to study the vocabulary words and how their pronunciation rules are. And today, under the session, the first session, news and buzz, here is one topic, headline topic for the news. It says, searching for missing big wave, surfing ace call up. Search for missing big waves, surfing ace called off. Okay, let's click on the link, the article title, and okay, here we have a detailed inside news from the headline news article. The headline title, and it says search ends for big wave server Alex Ace Cool Cook. So now we know who is the Ace Cool from the front page. I guess it's somebody who is really cool, well, as a server. Okay, if you want to study with me, want to study this article with me, please, from the headline news, please, right here, from the top right hand side, the search bar of the CNN, and please type the article title, search ends for big wave server Alex Ace Cool Cook. So his name is Alex Cooks, and also known as his nickname Ace Cool. Okay, please type the headline title, and if you want to study with me, search ends for big wave server Alex Ace Cool Cook. Okay, I'm going to read the headline news for you guys. Okay, I'm going to probably enlarge the fonts, okay, so you can read better. CNN, the U.S. Coast Guard has suspended the search for big wave server Alex Ace Cool Cook off the coast. Oahu, Hawaii. Cook's girlfriends reported him missing after the 59-year-old failed to return from a surf trip on Wednesday, the Coast Guard said in a statement late Saturday. The Coast Guard said the Hawaii Police Department had informed it on Thursday morning that Cook's truck had been found at a church near Waimea Bay, with his dog and kids still inside. A friend later recovered his surfboard, it said. A Coast Guard SC-130 Hercules plane, the USCGC, Kittiwake, as well as Coast Guard and the Hawaii Fire Department helicopter crew were involved in the research for Cook, covering an approximately 8,900 square mile area. As with any missing persons search, we saturated the area in an attempt to locate Mr. Cook, but pending further developments, we had decided to suspend the active search. The Pacific Ocean is very dangerous, especially when we have heavy surf conditions. Our thoughts go out to his friends and family. Commander Rex Avani, Deputy Commanding Officer at Coast Guard Sector Honolulu said. Okay, students, I'm going to stop right here. And let's go back to one vocabulary. This one. Oahu. Oh, sorry about the previous pronunciation because this one is not the English. I guess it's the native, I don't know, maybe native Indians or the people. They say Oahu. So you don't see the W, but it's pronounced as Oahu. Okay. Okay. Let's go to the note, which I have prepared for you guys to study. And right here. Please read along with the headline news with me. News and buzz. Search for missing big wave serving A's. Caught off. Search for missing big wave serving A's. Caught off. Search for missing big wave serving A's. Caught off. Okay, let's go to the two vocabulary words, and we're going to define the vocabulary's meaning, usage, pronunciation, and definition. And we're going to discuss using the technique from the spelling bee, using the spelling bee, pronunciation, technique, and the skill. Okay, let's go to the first vocabulary words. Okay, I'm going to read the first time for you guys. Serving. 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 Definition of serving in English, noun. The sport or pastime of riding a wave toward the shore while standing or lying on a surfboard. Example sentences. His perception of surfing is as the sport and lifestyle should be positively happy. As students, I'm going to repeat the pronunciation one more time. Please follow me. Serving. 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 Definition of serving in English, noun. The sport or pastime of riding a wave toward the shore while standing or lying on a surfboard. Example sentences. His perception of surfing is as the sport and lifestyle should be positively happy. Okay, let's go to the second vocabulary word. Helicopter. 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 Definition of helicopter in English, noun. A type of aircraft that derives both lift and propulsion from one or more sets of horizontally revolving overhead rudders. It is capable of moving vertically and horizontally, the direction of motion being controlled by the pitch of the rotor blades compared with autogyro. Example sentences. One of the helicopter's rotor blades has smashed into the crack, showering the rescuer with fragments of rock. Origin, late 19th century, from French helicopter, from Greek helix, spiral, patron, wing. Okay, so today I'm going to repeat the pronunciation parts one more time. Please follow me. Helicopter. 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 Definition of helicopter in English, noun. A type of aircraft that derives both lift and propulsion from one or more sets of horizontally revolving overhead rudders. It is capable of moving vertically and horizontally, the direction of motion being controlled by the pitch of the rotor blades, compared with the autogyro. Example sentences. One of the helicopter's rotor blades had smashed into the crane, showering the rescuers with fragments of rock. Origin: late 19th century from French helicopter, from Greek helix, sparrow, patron, wing. Okay, now is the time. Let's redefine those two vocabulary words, and we use the phonic spelling improvement and skill. 那我们用自然音标的方式来解释这两个单词。第一个单词 serving，serving。OK, serving， surf break ing 重音在第一音节，所以我们看 serve 加了 in， 所以弱音在第二音节，第一音节有重音，所以是 strong syllable 在第一个音节，那第二个音节就是 weak syllable 那 weak syllable 我们直接补弱音在这里直接补个弱音所以 ng 念对不对？所以念 in 所以我们直接补一个弱音在第二音节。那第一个音节呢，我们可以看到它的组合是 onset， 首音是 s，followed by nucleus， 合音在 ur， 尾音 coda， 尾音在 f。我们再看一遍 surf s-u-r-f interpon ing 所以它组合是 c v r c consonant vowel r and consonant。当然我们只要看 vowel and r， vowel combination vowel and r 在这个地方它就会用到 R control vowels， 用 R 所控制出来的。所以你看，只要是母音加 R，A-E-I-O-U 加上 R， 它长母音就会念 R， 如果是双母音就会念 R、L、E、or、UR。所以这个情况我们是念长母音，所以我们这边标个长母音这边所以这边标个长母音是 serve， 那再加弱母音第二音节 serving digraph 二合音 ng 的二合音所以 ng 二合音就念 n 等于再一遍 serve in serve 长母音 in serve in long weak 长轻 serving 好，第二个单词 helicopter helicopter 好，所以我们看到 helicopter有双重音在1跟3所以我们看它的1跟3，所以我们把弱音的所以 strong weak 我们把 weak 弱母音的地方标弱母音，先把弱母音标出来，弱母音所以弱母音 I 念弱母音 ending er 尾音 er 念所以跟那再来强母音的地方 consonant vowel consonant 母子母 consonant vowel consonant 所以我们可以看它一样是 onset 首音 h 母音 nucleus e coda L 同样在第三音节也是什么 onset C 母音合音 nucleus O followed by coda P. One more time. How ler cup ter how ler cup ter VC vowel and consonant short vowel VC vowel and consonant short vowel 再把中间两个 weak vowel 标出来 how ler cup ter helicopter one more time how ler cup ter CVC VNC short vowels weak vowel I ending howler capture好，我们再把最后这两个单词再练一下 serving helicopter 好了，同学们，如果你觉得David老师用的 phonic 的方式来教导你 phonetic 音标的符号的认知，再利用这两个phonic 的规则带入音标的世界利用线性符号来表达phonic 自然音标的方式来解决你的发音上的需求以及了解的话觉得对你有所帮助的话，也欢迎大家用 Google Plus 跟 David 老师做个朋友。Okay, friends, if you want to add me to become your friends, please, you can add me from the Google Plus, and my username is DavidTTING88. DavidTTING88. Just Google Plus me. And also, if you wish to write me an email, it's okay. Just my email account. It's as known as DavidTTING88@gmail.com. Also, I'm using Line Soft Communicator, and my line ID is DavidTing1688. And that's thanks for your video watching and sharing, and keep watching those cool videos. And I hope your pronunciation skill will improve after watching my videos. 在最后，还是谢谢各位同学你们的持续的收看以及分享，谢谢各位同学谢谢各位同学的努力的分享以及收看。